Shenzhen Tousei Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise who specialize in R&D and manufacturing of POS terminal, PDA scanner, and thermal printer. And our products are widely used in different fields, including retail's store, bank, industries, logistics, etc. We have advanced development laboratories and production facilities, highly professional manufacturing team, and a number of senior R&D engineers. With the guarantee of the independent intellectual property rights, we can provide product upgrades, innovations, and solutions to meet clients' requirements. With our great efforts, the quality of all the products are getting closer and closer to international standard. We have successfully got certifications of 3C, FCC, CE, EMV in the last few years. Through marketing operation for years, we have established close relationships with hundreds of international partners and have a dense network for sales and service all around the country. We have 1,780 square meters for standard production lines, and the annual amount of production are keeping ahead among the same filed. Furthermore, we provide OEM, ODM services as flexible sales strategy and personalized marketing demands for different customers. We are a rigorous, pragmatic, and efficient. Integrity, dedication, unity, and efficiency as a aim. With technology oriented as concept and the powerful R&D forces to ensure the integrity, compatibility, stability for the products and a complete quality system to ensure that every product is reliable and stable. Well serviced, we will win more and more customers and get rid of their worries. With a rapid of developing, we has become a full energy and creation team. We will continue introducing more and more high-quality management personnel and R&D personnel, so as to keep innovation for our products. Provide solutions to updating marketing requirements. We will keep forwarding and make us to be a world top level POS terminal and printer manufacturer.